In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clean and practical Notion homepage. We're going to create a main page that gives you a simple overview of everything important. So when you open Notion, you immediately know where to go and what to focus on. The goal here is not to make it overly complicated. It's to create a homepage that feels organized, helpful, and easy to use every day. To begin, create a brand new page in Notion and set it up as your main homepage. This will act as your central dashboard, the place you land first, before moving into the rest of your workspace. Give it a clear title that makes sense to you and think of it as the command center for your planning and organization. Once the page is ready, start adding your main sections. A good homepage usually includes space for tasks, notes, calendar, goals, and projects. These sections help separate the different parts of your work or personal life so everything has a clear place. Keeping these categories visible on the homepage makes it much easier to stay focused and quickly jump into what you need. After that, add quick links to your most used pages. This is one of the most useful parts of a homepage because it saves time every single day. Instead of searching through your workspace, you can open your key pages directly from this central spot. Choose the pages you visit most often so your homepage stays practical rather than crowded. Next, improve the layout by using columns. Columns help keep the page clean and visually balanced. For example, you might place one group of content on the left and another on the right to avoid having one long vertical page. A structured layout makes the homepage feel easier to scan, which is especially helpful when you want information at a glance. If you want to personalize the page a bit more, you can add optional widgets such as a clock, a quote, or the weather. These are not required, but they can make the homepage feel more enjoyable and visually complete. Just be careful not to add too many extras because the main purpose of the page is still functionality. You can also add filtered views that show useful information like today's tasks or upcoming deadlines. This makes the homepage more dynamic because instead of just linking to other pages, it can actively show what needs your attention right now. Filtered views are especially helpful for reducing distractions and keeping your daily priorities visible. Finally, review the entire homepage and keep it simple. If something feels unnecessary or makes the page harder to use, remove it. The best Notion homepage is one that helps you get organized quickly, stay focused, and move through your workspace with less friction.